welcome back everybody. We are going to be doing a very quick little video today. I've been wanting to do this for a while. I don't know why I haven't done it yet, but I wanted to do a video doing an updated top speed on the KLX300. So a couple different factors that are different from my last top speed video. The first is going to be that we are actually fully broken in. We have like almost 2,000 miles on it. Before we probably, I don't remember exactly what we had, but we probably only had like 100, 200 miles. Definitely wasn't fully broken in yet. And then also we got some mods on here. So we have the EJK fuel controller. We have our slip-on exhaust, the Yoshimura slip-on exhaust. So yes, it's not the full exhaust, but it's a slip-on. And we also have the KDX snorkel on it too, which is just a little bit less restricted snorkel from the stock KLX300 snorkel. But yeah, like I said, it's gonna be a quick little video, so let's go ahead and get to a road where we can hit this top speed and let's see what it's got. So I actually got some new gloves on as well today. A company called Kimimoto sent me these gloves, and they sell them on Amazon, and they're only like 20 bucks. These are the summer gloves, and they also have some winter gloves which come up a little bit further. So I'm gonna see with the cold coming soon, I'm gonna see if they'll send me out those as well. But yeah, I've never really had a glove with knuckles on them, so I'm gonna wear these a little bit more and then do a little, probably talk about them a little bit more in my next full riding video and give my thoughts on them. But first, gloves with the actual knuckles on them, and they feel pretty comfortable, so I'll link those in the description for y'all. All right, we're about to hop on the highway here, so I'm gonna throw on this app in my pocket and see what it says our top speed is here, just to get a little second backup, just because I've heard the speedometer on these bikes are a tiny bit off, and that's what we did last time, so we'll get both those numbers. All right, here we go, fixing to give her the beans. I'll be ducking the air as well. Without mirrors, it was not the best decision, so I only stayed on for a mile there, but got our number, did our run, we are good. All right, so real quick, let's double check what our phone says. Hopefully that was registering too, nothing went wrong. All right, top speed 139 kilometers per hour, so let's see what that. All right, so we got 139 kilometers per hour, which comes out to 86.37 miles per hour on the app. But at the same time, this is just a free app, so I don't really know just how accurate this thing is going to be either. But I don't care. I'm saying it. We hit 90. That's what it said on the speedometer, and that's definitely a hell of a lot better than that first run we had. So whether it's due to the mods or just it breaking in, I don't really know. But if I had to guess, those better results would probably be a slight mixture of both the break-in and the mods. But that's going to wrap up this short video, guys. I hope it provided some good information. I'm happy it was a little bit faster than our last test, so be sure to drop a like on the video and subscribe for some more content. I'm always coming out with content on the KLX. Oh, blinkers on. I'm always coming out with content on the KLX300 and other dirt bikes stuff, so be sure to subscribe for that for sure. And I will link these gloves in the description for you guys as well if you want to check them out. But that's going to be it. But thanks for watching, everybody. Peace.